All right, guys, so what I thought we'd do today real quick is I want to get more interactive with you guys in 2025. And today's the first day of 2025. So I thought what I'd do is take some relevant questions like weights and throw them into a short 3-minute reel on my channel per the video that we talked about this morning. So if you go to today's video, you'll see what's in each one of those kits. And today we'll talk about what they weigh, what the total weight is, and what you could get rid of depending on how long you're going to stay and what you want to keep. And we'll look at the base weights from that, okay? So stay with me, and we'll get after it. Okay, so I kind of went ahead and wrote these weights down on the board, and I added it all up on a calculator, and it is about 23.4, 23.6, I can't remember, but it's about 23 and a half pounds, okay? That's with every single thing we talked about, 23 and a half pounds. Now, remember, you don't have to take all of this, all right? First of all, I measured the pack with the aluminum frame on it, okay? This is a Dyneema pack, and I measured it with the aluminum frame. You don't necessarily have to have the frame on there. That would cut that pack weight in half probably, or less. Probably less than half, okay? Your kitchen, I'd probably leave it the way it is, but you can reduce the weight of that if you're only going out for an overnighter, or if you're only going out for like, you know, a couple days, because there's probably 3 days worth of food in there better, all right? Especially if you're hunting at the same time. So you can reduce that a little bit. Water weight's gonna stay the same, but you could also get away with, instead of using the Grail, using something like a Sawyer and reduce the weight a great deal with that, because instead of taking the Grail, now you're gonna reduce that thing by probably 2 pounds, or at least in half, probably, by getting rid of the Grail and adding a Sawyer instead, okay? The power film at 1.9, we can get rid of that altogether and drop 2 pounds if we weren't gonna stay more than a couple of days, okay? The radio and the inReach. We could drop the radio and just carry the inReach and be at probably well under or less than easy 1 pound, okay? So there's lots of ways to drop weight. We got a folding saw and a buck saw and a shovel. Drop the buck saw and shovel, you drop another 2 pounds if all you take is the folding saw. So you could drop 6 or 8 pounds off of this in a heartbeat. So I just wanted to get that out to you guys today. I appreciate you joining me. I appreciate your views. I'll be back with another short as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.